Hey everyone, this is Tim with Cotting Consulting. Today we're going to look at how to use Google Tasks set within Gmail to keep you and your students more organized than ever in 2021. For a quick demonstration, here is Alicia, one of our assistive technology specialists with Cotting Consulting. Let's get right into the video.
Today we are going to talk about using Google Tasks to keep track of your assignments, break down your assignments into subtasks, set yourself reminders, and complete assignments. I'm going to close this right now. I am just signed into my Gmail right now. In either Gmail or Google Drive, you will see on the right-hand side these three icons. The first icon links to a sidebar that will show your calendar. The second icon links to a sidebar that will show your Google Keep, and the third brings up the Tasks sidebar. That's what we're going to be using today. I am going to show you how to add a task, which is very straightforward. You hit the plus sign, it will bring up a little circle. In there, let's say we are finishing Chapter 5 assignments. We'll just say Chapter 5. I then have the opportunity to hit the little pencil, which brings up more details to edit. Under the Add Details area, I can include a link, I can include information that I need, I can add a time or a date. When I do this, what this will do is put a reminder on my calendar that this is something that I need to do. For instance, if I want to complete this assignment this evening, I can add the date of today and set the time for 8 p.m. This will allow me to repeat it if I know that every Monday I have a similar assignment. You'll now see that there's where that will appear on my calendar as a reminder. Subtasks are a great way to break down what you're working on and then allow you to check off each individual aspect of the assignment. So for instance, if we know for Chapter 5, the first part is highlighting character details, this will be the first subtask. The next subtask may be identifying new vocabulary, spell that correctly, and then the last one may be including footnotes. So now you have looked at your assignment, which initially was just called Chapter 5, and now you have identified the 3 steps that you need to do in order to complete this chapter. When we go back to the front, you'll see here's your task, here are the subtasks. When you complete a subtask, all you do is click on it and it disappears. And then when you complete a full task, the same thing happens. If you were to go to your calendar right now, you would see that this evening at 8 p.m. there would be a reminder and a link to this task. This is a very easy way to set yourself reminders and to also set yourself up for how to break down an assignment. This toolbar on right here can be found, like I said, in your Gmail, in your email, or in your Google Drive when you check your Google Drive. Thank you.